I'd really like to thank Eurocycles. My bike was stolen like a month or 2 months before this trip, and I thought that I was doomed. I didn't think that I was gonna get a bike in time, but Eurocycles really hooked it up. They did everything that they could to make sure that I had a bike to go on this trip, and I can't think of enough. Also, a big thanks to Fran Hosh for helping us put this whole thing together. You guys helped me out personally when I really needed it most, and you've just been a great sponsor for Bay Area riders, and we really, really appreciate you guys. But anyway, enjoy the video for what it is. We had a bunch of great times up there, and I can't wait to do it again. It's officially vacation. We're on our way, well, almost on our way to the mountains. We're actually gonna drive through the night, which we find to be the best option. That way we can avoid as much traffic as possible. All right, we're finally on the road. Got Ethan as my co-pilot today. Yeah. We had to switch some things up on the trailer and the truck, which put us back a little bit, but not too much. And we're just gonna drive through the night. I'm tired. How are you feeling after your nap?
I'm pretty good, actually.
Yeah, he's a terrible co-pilot.
Not really, yeah. You can't take me on no type of trip.
There's surface right here.
You gotta put
I don't have any cash for you, so.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Bobby, hey Bobby, you doing a good job, Bobby. I give you $5, Bobby.
For now, stay short.
$5 for that, Bobby.
Hey, 2 chicks here to give me $5.
I give you.
I'm not really sure why we stopped here, but it's basically like a Target, but a gas station, but a restaurant. So we came to Buc-ee's for no good reason, other than
To get these bad boys.
Alright, after a very, very long night, we have finally made it to the house. Right now we're just kind of unwinding. I haven't slept in like 30 hours, so probably gonna take a nap and see what else we get into. We'll go riding tomorrow or something. Yeah, boy. 2022 R1. Woo! Whoop, I don't know where I'm going. Uh-oh. So new R1 is very tricky. Oh shit! I got mud on my jeans. Mom's gonna be pissed. Jesse's ready.
I am ready. Can we go now?
Yeah, let's go. Wait on everybody.
We're leaving at 9 o'clock, bro.
He's ready.
Are you ready, Seth?
I'm ready.
That's how we do the Bay Area riders.
You know, Mike's ready.
It's beautiful weather. Gonna have a beautiful day.
Pull over. Usually I'm the one getting pulled over, and not my turn this time. Finally getting some riding in. We did, I don't know what the spot is Jay brought us to, but there's some nice runs. It's called Mountain Crossing, that place. It's like a hiking park or something like that, but we got some miles in, did some runs. Trying to feel out the S1000 a little bit since it's the first time out here, but it's feeling good. I need to get the suspension set up. I need to get everything set up, but I mean, still running good. Stopped by some, I don't know, some waterfall place. It's beautiful. The water feels amazing. The roads back here, actually, they're nice and curvy, but there's like a canopy over the entire road, which is pretty cool. It's about a skyway somewhere up here in Tennessee. Just out here on top of the mountain. We're gonna go real fast. These mountain coasters are so cool. Today we are out at Tail of the Dragon. We've been riding all these Tennessee, North Carolina, Georgia roads all week. It's been a blast. Got a couple clips here and there, but for the most part, we've just been enjoying every second of it. And we're gonna do a couple runs on that, and then we're gonna explore a little bit more. But yeah, we got everybody out here. A couple of these guys have never ridden this road before, so it's awesome. It kind of sucks because it's a little wet out, so I've got the bike in rain mode. I'm just taking it easy, you know? I'm just out here just to enjoy myself. I'm not trying to break records or anything like that. Damn, that's terrible.
That's too heavy. You gotta get a light this rock. Guy's a fucking professional rock skipper over here. There you go. Isn't the Look at how far that makes me. Joe, that did. You saw that one? Yeah, you can throw it. You can throw it. Look. But for heavy.
So apparently there's some waterfalls at the end of this tunnel, or this ledge. I think we're getting closer. Oh, out of shape.
So it's not all white. I found it.
Randy, you taking selfies?
I need oxygen.
Yeah, me too.
I want to drink that water.
You wanna drink it? Go do it. It's always funny watching people take selfies. Trying to get the right angle. Look at him. Low, try it low. Try it low. Is it working? He's trying, folks. Welcome to the top of the mountain in the rain when it's cold. It's freezing out right now. Ugh. I got my heated grip, so I'm not too concerned about it, but it's crazy out here. I don't even know if you can see this. I'm trying to keep the that lens clear. Well, this is the top of the mountain. This is what it looks like sometimes. Alright, well that's the video. Thank you for watching. I didn't carry the camera on the entire time. I just got a couple clips here and there just for something that we can look back at. Something for you guys to watch and see what we were up to and stuff like that. But we had a really, really good time. If you ever have the chance to go up to the mountains, Tennessee, North Carolina, Georgia, all that good stuff, do it. Take the vacation, turn your phone off, and just enjoy yourself. Whether you're going for a motorcycle trip or a hiking trip or whatever the case is, or I don't know, a beach vacation, whatever it is you want to do, just do it. You deserve a break from our day-to-day life, I'm telling you. Gotta get out there, reset a little bit, just get away from everything for a little bit. It's worth it, I promise. But anyway, it's Tuesday, and I haven't slept in a couple days, but the show must go on, so I'm gonna go jump on the bike and head to bike night. I'll see you guys next time.